everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Here I will show you all my project which I'm going to build. So this is a Tic Tac Toe project. I built this project in August 2023. It was my initial period of learning web development. I made it after learning HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So it's a very basic Tic Tac Toe game. It contains of heading, Tic Tac Toe pad and a reset button. So it's like if we'll play one chance, then the other player, and if one wins, it will show that who is the winner. Like here, the scroll, the winner is 0. Here is a new game button. This will refresh all the values and bring the new Tic Tac Toe pad. Here again you can play, and if you want to reset, here is a reset game button. So these are all the elements which I have added. Now I will show you the code. So this is the code for the Tic Tac Toe game. This is a HTML file, this is a CSS file, and this is the JavaScript file. I have provided the link for my GitHub link for the code, which is in the description. You can go and check it out. You can obviously copy and use the code. Just copy this code in a folder and open the index.html file. Make sure that all the files in a single folder, and you can just double click on the HTML file and you can use this code. So this is a very basic HTML file. Here in this line I have linked the CSS. This is the heading, and this is the winner heading which you saw earlier. This is the new game button. These are all the buttons which I made which we were clicking for cross and the 0, and this is a reset button. Here we have linked the JavaScript file. This is the styling. This is the styling for the heading, and this is for the whole page. It's star. It means it is for the complete page. This is the body. This is styling for the container which we made. Here container, and this is for the game. These are all the IDs. We are just linking all the class and IDs which we have used. Hash is for the ID, and dot is to select the class. Here we are normally styling using CSS, and this is the main code, JavaScript code. It is the brain behind the Tic Tac Toe project. So basically here we are selecting all the classes and the IDs which we have given to the elements in the HTML. For this we are using query selector all. This is to select the class and the IDs, and we are storing it in a variable. And here is the logic. This is all the winning patterns, in a case to win, a single user has to pass this pattern to win. This is for the reset game. This will reset the complete values and will bring to the default values. And this is for the button. This is for displaying text, and what will happen if 0 player will click and the other X player will click the button. And this is for displaying the winner. This show winner. This will show the winner. We are passing the value from the winner. And this is for display boxes. This is just a text to display the values for the true and false. Here we are using the inner text, and this is the logic for checking the winner. This is just a simple logic, like if we verify if we have taken the value in an array, and here if we satisfy all the position that for example, for one case to win you have to take 0, 1 and 2. So this is checking. If we get 0, 1 and 2 all three in the same position, then we win, else no one wins. So if any user complete any of the winning pattern, then that user will win. So this is a basic JavaScript working, and that's all. This is a project. You can copy the code. If you have any doubt, you can comment. I'll answer your doubt. And this was my first project after I learned HTML, CSS, JavaScript, which I made during August 2023. So this was way back. Currently I've also done React, and I am into one stack. So thank you. If you want, you can like it.